Hello over there. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my dear students. This is your one and only AG sir, and today we are here with again an LM series. We are going to discuss exercise 2 level 1. In that we are going to discuss pulley block system. The question number 1 is, if the pulleys are massless and frictionless, pulleys are massless, frictionless, threads are inextensible block of mass m1 will remain at rest if mg, m1g, 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 m1g by 2, m1g by 2, m2g, m2g, applying the string constraint. Okay. Let us consider that m3 is going downward, which means acceleration of m3 is in downward direction. This will be in upward direction. Drawing the FBDs for m2. This is the tension, which is m1g by 2. This is m2g, and this is the acceleration. So I am writing m1g by 2 minus m2g equals to m2a. So here we have m1 minus 2m2 g equals to m2 2a. This is our equation number 1. On the next side, for block m3, this is m3g, this is m1g by 2, this is acceleration, m3g minus m1g by 2, m3a. So 2 m3g minus m1g equals to 2 m3a. This is our equation number 2. For equation number 1 and 2, equation 1 plus equation 2, m1g minus 2m2g equals to 2m2a, 2m3g minus m1g 2m3a, m1g 2g m3 minus m2 equals to 2a m3 plus m2. Okay. So a 2 and 2 is gone, equals to g m3 minus m2 upon m3 plus m2. But what we have option is, it is something like this, 1 upon m1 is equals to 1 upon m2 plus 1 upon m3, m1 is equals to m2 plus m3, 4 by m1 is equals to like this. Okay, so applying the acceleration in this equation, acceleration we got is acceleration is equals to g m3 minus m2 upon m3 plus m2. Acceleration is equals to g m3 minus m2, m3 plus m2. Putting the value over here, we will have m1g minus 2 m2g equals to 2 m2 into the bracket g, very much congested. Let me check, do we have extra slide over here or not? Okay, just a minute, let me add one more slide. Just a minute, let me add one more slide. Okay, so we have equation m1 minus 2m2 is equals to 2m. We have equation m1g minus 2m2g is equals to 2m2a, and acceleration is g m3 minus m2 upon m3 plus m2. Putting the values, m1g minus 2m2g is equals to 2m2. Instead of a, I am writing g, m3 minus m2 upon m3 plus m2, g, m3 plus m2 going over there, m1 m3 plus m2 minus 2 m3 plus m2 is equals to 2 m2 m3 minus m2. m1 m3 m1 m2 minus 2m3 minus 2m2 is equals to 2m2 m3. I am missing m2 over here. m2 m3 minus 2m2 square equals to 2m3 square minus 2m2 square. 2m2 square and 2m2 square is gone. So here we have m1 m3 plus m1 m2. 2m2 square and 2m2 square is gone, minus 2m2 m2 m3. So here we have is equals to 4 m2 m3. Dividing all the equation with m1 m2 m3, dividing this term we will get m2 plus in this term we will get m3 is equals to 4 upon m1. So this is our answer. 1 upon m1 plus 1 upon m2 is equals to 4 by m1. This is our answer. Next question is, here we have two masses m and 2m are connected by a massless string which is passed over a pulley as shown in the figure. The masses are held initially with equal lengths of string on either sides of the pulley. Find the velocity of mass at the instant the lighter mass moves up a distance 15 meter. Lighter mass moves up 15 meter. Okay, so here I am writing acceleration is equals to F net upon m total, and I am getting that 2m minus m into g is equals to upon 2m plus m. So I am getting the acceleration is g by 3, and distance moved by the lighter block is 15 meter, and they have asked for the velocity. Okay, so velocity will be v is equals to u plus at. Initial velocity will be 0, so acceleration is g by 3, and time is not given, right? So not using this equation, instead of we will use the equation v square minus u square equals to 2a s. Block is moving in this direction, so velocity is in this direction, g is in downward direction, and the displacement will be in upward direction. Taking the direction upward as positive, downward as negative, is equals to 2 acceleration minus acceleration A is minus g by no acceleration g is in downward direction, but acceleration A is in upward direction, and that is plus g by 3, and the displacement is 15 meter. 3 5s are 15, so this is 2 into 10 into 5 equals to v square. So v is equals to 10 meter per second. Velocity will be 10 meter per second. Okay, next one is, here we will have 2 mg tension, here we will have tension T, and here we will have mg tension. Mg acts downward, and this force directly acts as a tension, so acceleration in this case is 0. AC is 0. Here 2 mg in upward direction and mg in downward direction, so here we can see clearly that acceleration A equals to g in upward direction, and in this case acceleration is equals to F net upon m total. F net is 2m minus m into g upon 2m plus m, so this is g by 3. For this block the acceleration is g by 3 downward, and for this block g by 3 upward. So acceleration of 1 is greater than 2 is greater than 3. 1 is greater than 2 is greater than 3. Okay, the next is, okay, so this much is enough for today. The end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next class.